Welcome students, welcome back to SciMath videos. As you already seen in this channel, we have discussed few important concepts from pair of linear equations. In first part of video, we have discussed about the elimination method and few important concepts related to types of line that equation forms. This was in the part 1 video. In part 2 video, we discussed about the very important method, the graphical method, which carries 4 marks in all your examination, SSLC board examination. Now in part 3, the remaining portions. Are, you all know, there are many word problems which we regularly appear in exam. Okay, word problems is nothing but whatever equations that are put in words. You need to understand those words, put into equation form and then solve it. That's all. So there are many types of word problems, but I have reduced into 2 types of word problems which is regularly occurred. Okay, we'll discuss that what are these 2 types of word problems that are regularly appeared. And next we have the last exercise, it is very important again, reducing the equations into linear pair of equations. These equations are a little different from pair of linear equations what we studied. In this exercise we just need to reduce them into the normal pair of equations what we are studying. Then there are 2-3 word problems again from this reducing equations which are very important. So basically we will discuss 4 important word problems and few problems in reducing equations, and finally we will conclude the chapter with with just revising the entire chapter and important questions. So let's get into the video. So students, there are 2 important types of word problems that are regularly appeared in the examination. First one is finding the fraction and second one is the age related problems. Okay. Now first let us get into the finding the fraction type of problems. So students, now let us solve this problem. Okay, you can see the question that I have put on the screen. A fraction becomes 9 by 11. First of all, a fraction. Fraction means what? This is the form of x by y. Right? Yes. A fraction becomes 9 by 11. It becomes 9 by 11. So equal to 9 by 11. If 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. Okay. I will add 2 for numerator and to the numerator and to the denominator. Okay, full stop. So this forms the first equation. You know, in all these word problems, you will get, if you complement it properly, you will get 2 equations. Now in this problem, see, very easy, the fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to numerator and also denominator. That's all. This is the first equation. And the second equation you will get when you continue this question, if 3 is added, so second also will be a fraction. So write x by y and keep. If 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, I will add 3 to both numerator and denominator. It becomes 5 by 6. Find the fractions. This is the question. This is the second equation. Now you know what to do. Just simply solve it. I will cross multiply it. So first equation x plus 2 into 11 is equal to 9 into y plus 2. If I solve it, 11x plus 22 is equal to 9y plus 18. So 11x minus 9y plus 22. 18 comes to the left hand side, becomes negative. 11x minus 9y minus opposite signs. What you should do, you should subtract and write the greater sign. Therefore 22 minus 18 is 4. So 22 is the greater number. In front of it we have addition symbol. Therefore it is plus 4 equal to 0. So this is the first equation. We have made it an equation. Similarly the second one. Okay. So it becomes 6 y plus 3 is equal to, 6 goes above 6. X plus 3 is equal to 5 y plus 3. 6x plus 18 is equal to 5y plus 15. So 6x, the 5y becomes to the left hand side, becomes negative. So plus 18, 15 comes, is equal to 0. 6x minus 5y, opposite signs. So it's very simple, 18 minus 5, nothing here, plus 3 equal to 0. So we get the 2 equations. Now what we do, immediately solve it, elimination method. See here, I hope you are not forgetting the elimination method. 6x minus 5y plus 3. Okay. So these are 2 equations. Now we know that we are unable to cancel off this. Okay. We need to get In the elimination method, you know, either the x term or the y term should be same so that we can cancel it off. Here we are seeing that x kuda cancel agtilla, y kuda cancel. Therefore, quickly cross multiply 6 here and 11 here. Therefore, the numerator, I will quickly erase this, students, so that I will continue the problem above here. You can see when I multiply 66x minus 9 6 are 54y plus 24 equal to 0. Then multiplying 11, it becomes 66x minus 55y. So 11 into 3, 33 is equal to 0. Now you know, change the sign. Plus is minus is plus, so minus cancel aito. Next to minus 54 plus 55, opposite signs. So you have to subtract. So greater number is 55, 1y. So 24 minus 33. 24 minus 33 is opposite signs again. So subtract 33 minus 24 is 9. It becomes minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore y is equal to 9. Okay. So next finally, we have to find the x. Take any one of the equation. I will take the first equation quickly. So 11x minus 9, y jagdal 9 barde, plus 4. Okay, equal to 0. Now you can see 11x minus into 9 into 9. 11x 9 into 9 is 81 plus 4 equal to 0. So 11x, see, opposite sign 8 minus 81 plus 4 is opposite sign, therefore subtract. If you subtract 81, we will get 77. Yes, 77 equal to 0. So 11x equal to 77. Therefore x equal to 77 by 11. Your final answer is x equal to 7 and y is equal to 9. So is this your final answer? No. You need to find the fraction. Remember, students, what you will do, you will stop it here itself. So what you should do, just quickly write the fraction. What is the fraction we assume? X by y was the fraction. Therefore, the fraction is, what is x? X we found out to be 7 and y to be 9. Our fraction is 7 by 9. This is the final answer. You need to write in the words. The fraction is 7 by 9. I hope you understood. Very simple. So in one more, I will do one more problem. Just I will solve the equation. Just find you the equation. Remaining, you please continue. You know elimination method. So I just quickly taught you elimination method. So finally, don't forget to keep it in x and y. Okay, x by y. Okay. So see, I'll do one more problem here. I'll just quickly solve the equation. Just comprehend you the equation. And remaining elimination methods, please do and find the value of x and y and keep the answer in x by y. You know that. So now, as soon as you see such equation, such form of word problems, directly write x by y anta undo. ಎರಡು ಸತಿ x by y ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. Because two equations you will get, x by y, x by y. Okay, first part. If we add 1 to numerator, okay, 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from denominator, okay, the fraction reduces to 1. So, it's a first equation. Second equation, it becomes half. It becomes half if we only add 1 to denominator. Denominator matra 1 add madare half agutante. What is the equation? We have two equations. Now whatever I did earlier, substitute madi neatly x y, put it into the linear form of equation. Do elimination method. Solve x and y, and you know the last answer you keep it in x by y. The fraction is x by y. Anta enachu x ಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀರಾ ಮೇಲ್ ಬರೆದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರೆದು you need to solve it. Okay. So this is about the fraction type of problem. So it is very easy. I hope you will do it in your examinations. Now let us do next type of problems that I told you, that is the age related problems. Okay, age na find ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, ಈ ಕೆಲವು they'll give some scenario where you have to comprehend and find the ages of the individual. Now even age problems, if you see in your textbook, there are three problems related to age problems. I will do again two problems. Okay, here I'm solving it from exercise 3.3. Okay, here 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What is the present ages? One question here, and one more question similarly. There's one more here. 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Nuri will be thrice as old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? So there's one more problem like this. So these are the one more type of problem which is regularly occurred in examination. Here one problem ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು let us take first question what I told about. Now 5 years hence, what do you mean by hence? Hence andre illinda mundakke, from here hence. Okay, the age of Jacob will be thrice, 3 times that of his son. Okay, ಇವಾಗ ಇಷ್ಟರಿಂದ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು let us consider let x be the age of Jacob. Okay, let y be age of son. Okay, ಇದು ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನೀವು. Okay, this is the first step. Next, now let us comprehend this. Let x be the age of Jacob and y be the age of son. Okay, this first step. Next step, ಇವಾಗ ಎರಡು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಎರಡು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Of course you know one part ಇಂದ ಒಂದು ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ x = y ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಎರಡು x = y ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇಂಗ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, 5 years hence, 5 years hence ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ +5 ಹಾಕಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ +5 hence ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 5 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ. ಓಕೆ, +5 ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ +5 ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ 5 years hence the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. ಇವರ ಏಜ್ ಇವ್ರಿಗಿಂತ 3 ಸತಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 3 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 3 ಹಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಏನು? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನೋಡಿ, 5 years ago, ಅದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡಿ, -5 ago ಅಲ್ವಾ, ago ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂದೆ, 5 years ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 5 years ಹಿಂದೆ ಮೈನಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಜಾಕಬ್ age was 7 times that of his son. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀರಾ 7? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7 times that of his son, 3 times that of his son. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್. ಇನ್ನು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಕ್ವಿಕ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. x + 5 = 3y + 15, x + 5 - 3y - 15 = 0. So x - 3y, 5 - 15, therefore -10 = 0. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಕೂಡ x - 5 7y - 35. So x - 7y, I'm getting everything to the left hand side. -5 + 35 = 0. x - 7y + 30 = 0. So ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಇದೆ. So quickly you elimination method ಮಾಡಿ, cancel ಮಾಡಿ. So I just erase it. I'll just solve this ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ elimination method. 7y + 30 = 0. So plus so negative minus ಇದೆ, plus ಇದೆ minus. So cancel x, therefore 3y + 7y. So -3 + 7 opposite signs. So subtract ಮಾಡಿ, 4 greater sign +7 ಇದೆ, 7 ಮುಂದೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ, therefore 4y. So minus -40 -10 -30 ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈನ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆ ಸೈನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. So 4y = 40, y = 40/4. So therefore y = finally ಎಷ್ಟು, 4 1s are 4 10s are. So y = 10. And x so in ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀರಾ, quickly put in one more equation and quickly put in the first equation. X - 310 = 0. X = 30 - 10 = 0. X = -40 = 0. X = 40 and 10. Okay, so ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೀರಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ? x ಅಂದ್ರೆ the age of Jacob, y is age of his son. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ಜಾಕಬ್ ಏಜ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾ? ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನೋಡಿ 40. ಸನ್ ಏಜ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕಾ? ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ 10. ಸೊ therefore ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ವೆರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, x y ತಪ್ಪು ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅದನ್ನ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ x and y ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ, ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. therefore the age of Jacob is 40 years, therefore the age of his son is 10 years. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇವಾಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ನಾನು ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಡೂ. ಸೊ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸಿ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ okay 5 years ago Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. So ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ equation ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು x equal to y ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ x equal to y ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 5 years ago ago ಅಂತ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ -5 ಓಕೆ Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. ಓ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು let x be age of first ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ Nuri. Okay, let y be age of Sonu. So ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. So ಎಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಬರೀತೀರಾ 3 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. Okay, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. Okay, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಮುಗೀತು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 10 years later ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎರಡೂ ಕಡೆ 10 ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So added Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. So Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. So 2 ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಆಯ್ತಾ into 2. So ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ x ಮತ್ತೆ y ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫೈನಲಿ put it in the words and keep it. Okay, this is about the two important age related problems. ಈ age related problems fraction problems ನ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, so it is most time repeated in your examinations. So students, now let us continue. We have last two types of word problems that comes in equation reducible last exercise. Here we have a problem, example 19, page number 19, which is most of the time repeated in the examinations. To solve this, these two problems are similar. What two problems I am going to solve? There are actually 4 problems, but 3 problems are similar. But I will be solving 2 problems from this one example and one from the exercise. To solve this problem, I hope you know there's an equation. This physics you would have learned it. Speed is equal to distance by time, or the time is nothing but distance by speed. I hope you remember this from your physics. Now let us solve a problem. Now see, a boat goes 30 km upstream and 44 km downstream in 10 hours. Okay. Now upstream and downstream. If you just imagine, even including your physics knowledge, when you are going in the downstream, your speed will be added. No, your speed with the, since there's a potential energy and also speed of your vehicle, the speed will be added. But in upstream, when you're going in up row, what happens? You put more extra energy, to go around about the upstream. So similarly, that knowledge you should apply here. Downstream means always you are adding the speed of your vehicle, and it means it is an added speed. Just remember, like it is an added speed. In upstream, it is reduced speed. Okay, remember this. Now let us read this problem again. A boat goes 30 km upstream and 44 km downstream in 10 hours. Okay, in 13 hours it can go 40 km upstream and 45 km downstream. Determine the speed of the stream and boat in the still water. Okay, boat the speed of the stream. Okay, the stream has one speed, okay, and the boat in the still water. If at all the boat is in the still water, what is the speed? Okay, they are asking. So let us first, whatever is given, let us take it as x and y. Okay, let x kilometer. Since it is speed, I hope you know the SI unit of speed is kilometer per hour. Since all terms are given in kilometer an hour, then speed will be kilometer per hour. Let x be the, let x kilometer per hour be speed of stream, and let y kilometer per hour be speed of boat in still water. Okay, this is the first thing in all the problem what you do to do this. Okay, now there are 2 parts in the question. Okay, let's solve the first part. For the first part we have one equation, for the second part we have second equation. Okay, first part, a boat goes 30 km upstream and 44 km downstream in 10 hours. Okay, let us take T1 is the time required to travel upstream and T2 is the time required to travel downstream. So together it requires 10 hours. Correct? Okay. 10 hours. Upstream time, downstream time, say 10 hours. Okay. So now we'll go to our equation. Okay. From this equation, we will put this equation, we will replace the time in terms of distance and speed, because time is not given, they are given as distance and speed. Okay. So now what is t? Distance by time. In this case, first distance is 30 km upstream. Okay. So it is 30. And what is the speed? I told you speed is in first upstream. No, upstream. You just imagine speed is getting low. Therefore, it is x minus y. Remember, it is x minus y for the upstream plus 44. Next is 44 kilometer distance, and speed it is downstream x plus y. Yes, downstream ge x plus y, upstream ge x minus y. Gap metcodi. Okay. Downstream will add with speed ortha. Okay. Now, therefore, it is equal to 10. Okay. This is your first equation. Okay. Next from the second part of the equation, in 13 hours, it can go 40 km upstream and 55 km downstream. Same thing. T1 plus T2 equal to 13 hours. So in 13 hours, it goes upstream and downstream. So first let us convert into distance by speed. So first is 40 km upstream. In 13 hours, it can go 44 km upstream. So 40 kilometers, 40 by upstream, therefore x minus y, plus next is downstream, 55 by x plus y, downstream add is equal to 30. So this is your second equation, and you know from here, see this equation reducible forms. Okay. Now let us quickly erase this and let us solve it. Solve this given equation. You know it is again pair of linear. You have to reduce this equation to pair of linear equations. So first, as you know, let p is equal to 1 by x minus y. Correct? 30 let 30 remain there. So 1 by x minus y. Then q equal to 1 by x plus y. So therefore, this equation, both equations reduce to 30p plus 44q equal to 10, and this becomes 40p plus 55q is equal to 13. So now make it in general form. 44q minus 10 equal to 0. So 40p plus 55q is minus 13 equal to 0. Now we know we have to solve it in the elimination method. What we have learnt, 30p, I'll again write the equation one below the other, so you can easily solve for the linear equations. So 40p, you know, nothing is going to cancel here. As you can see, we need to cross multiply and make it p term equal. So we multiply 40 here, we'll multiply 30 here. So therefore, the first term becomes 3 4s are 12 and 2 zeros. 44 into 4. So 44 into 4 is 46 are 160. Then again 176 it becomes. Then 10. 10 4s are 10 40s are 400 equal to 0. And here of course it will be same since we have cross multiplied. 55 into 30. First multiply 55 into 3, it becomes 150. 150 then again 15. 165 and 0. So write q here and q here, and 13 3s are 39 and 10. So now eliminate. So minus here plus here. So this eliminates. Subtract, I will just change the signs. So now let's subtract these both 0, 1 and 110, and here. So opposite sign plus and plus 400. Minus 400 plus 390, it becomes minus 10 equal to 0. Therefore, q equal to 10, 110. So q equal to 10 by 110. So therefore, q equal to 1 by 11. So we found the q value. Let us find the p value. So p value, I will substitute in either one of the equation. I will take the first equation. 30p plus 44 by 1 by 11. Okay, so minus 10 equal to 0. So 30p, here see 11 ones are 11 fours are, so 4 minus 10 equal to 0. So opposite sign, plus 4 minus 10, so you have to subtract and put the greater number sign. To 10 is greater number, minus 6 equal to 0. So 30p equal to 6. So p equal to 6 by 30, and you know 1s are 5s are, so 1 by 5. So p equal to 1 by 5 and q equal to 1 by 11. Okay. So now can we stop here? No, we have to find the terms in terms of x and y. We need x and y. Therefore, let us continue the problem and erase it quickly. Now p is equal to 1 by 5 and q equal to 1 by 11. And initially what we have assumed, p is equal to x minus y and q equal to 1 by x plus y. So therefore p and 1 by 5 equal to 1 by x minus y, and q is 1 by 11 equal to 1 x plus y. Both the numbers are in the numerator we have 1 on the both sides, therefore you can directly reciprocate. It becomes y equal to x minus y, comma 11 equal to x plus y. So this equation becomes, I will take the 5 this side, so this becomes minus 5 equal to 0. Here similarly x plus y minus 11 equal to 0. Now we have again two equation, again elimination method. Yes, x minus y minus 5 equal to 0, x plus y minus 11 equal to 0. Here you can see already the signs are opposite for the y, so therefore you can directly cancel it off. Or else if you have learnt only to see the x term, you can just change the sign here also. I am changing the sign so that since you have learnt only cancel the x terms. Okay, so with minus 2, with minus with plus 2, x cancel minus minus 2y, 1y, 2y, same sign, add it and put minus sign. So this becomes minus 5 plus 11, opposite signs. So therefore 11 minus 5 is 6, greater number is 11, in front of it is plus sign, therefore 6. Next it will minus 2y, minus 6, 6 goes that side, y is equal to minus 6 minus 2, therefore y equal to 3. Okay, and what is x? Take any of the equation. I have taken the first equation here. So x minus 3 minus 5 equal to 0. X equal to minus 3 minus 5 minus 8, same number, add, put the same sign, x equal to 8. So now what is your final answer? You have to find the speed of your stream. Speed of your stream, it is x we assume, therefore it is 8 km per hour. And the speed of your, next one you have to find what you have to assume there, the speed of the boat in the still water, that is y, that is 3 km per hour. Okay, this is y and this is x. So write and give this. So once again you kindly solve this entire problem. This is important. It's appeared in many of the model paper, it is there. It might come in the examination. And let us solve the next problem. One more important problem that has appeared many times in your examination. Same logic it goes. Exercise 3.6, the last problem. Ruhi travels 300 km partly by train and partly by bus. Means her distance, entire distance is 300 km. And partly of our distance, one bhaga she travels by train and one more part she travels by the bus. Okay, she takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train and remaining by the bus. Okay, she takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train and remaining by the bus. Same thing, full stop, continue. If she travels 400 km by train and remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of train and speed of bus separately. As you know, first what you do, first thing that you should do here is let x, let y. What? X, or they are the speed, so kilometer per hour, okay. Let x, let y. X be what? The speed of train, okay, and speed of bus. Okay, this is your first step. Now, Ruhi travels 300 km partly by train and partly by bus. The total distance is 300 km. Okay, remember this. Now, she takes 4 hours. Okay, if she travels 60 km by train, remaining by bus. Okay, what I will do here is, we already know time is equal to distance by speed. Okay, so now she takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train, remaining by bus. She takes 4 hours. Okay, let me take T1 again and T2. Okay, T1 is the time that she travels by the train, and T2 by the bus. So how much time she takes? She takes 4 hours. Okay. Now T1 is the time she traveled in the train. Okay. We know this equation, d by s. So what is the distance? Distance she traveled by train is 60. What is the speed? Speed is train speed, x. Yes. Then T2. What is the T2? The remaining time that she traveled in the bus. Okay. What is the distance, remaining distance? Total distance is d, which is 300 km. Now already she has traveled 60 km by the train. The remaining distance what is? 300 minus 60, right? Remaining distance is she is going to travel in the bus, of course. Therefore 300 minus 60, it happens, it becomes 240, and that is by the bus. Therefore the speed of bus is equal to 4 hours. Okay, this is the first equation. Okay, and the second equation again, T1 plus T2. Okay, she travels in second part, she travels 100 km by bus and remaining by 100 km by train and remaining by bus. She takes 10 minutes longer, means 4 hours plus 10 minutes. You cannot add to 4 here. Okay, because it is in hours and this is in minutes. To convert into hours and then add. Okay, longer than this one, that's all they are given. Therefore plus 10 minutes. So now we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Let us convert the 10 minute into, so 10 minute is equal to how much? Cross multiply 10 into 1 divided by 60. Therefore 1 by 6 hours. Okay, cancels 1 by 6. Therefore I will put it back there. T1 plus T2 is equal to 4 plus 1 by 6. Now what you know what to do. So by 6 4s are 24. You know you need to multiply 6 here. Nothing is there, 1 here. So 6 4s are 24. 1 into 1. Therefore 25 by 6. Okay. This is your equation. Now go on. What is time? Again time, convert the time by distance and speed. The first she travels by train. Okay, first is train. So here also train is, so here it is 100 by train speed. And remaining, what is the remaining? If she travels 100 km by train, remaining 200 km she has to travel by the bus. Therefore it is 200 by, what is the speed of the bus? Y is equal to 25 by 6. So this is your second equation. Okay, so now you know what to do. This is very easy. Let us quickly solve the entire thing. I'll just convert it. So you know P equal to both equations. Let us first make it linear equation. P is equal to 1 by x and Q equal to 1 by y. Therefore the equation reduces to 60p plus 240y minus 4 equal to 0. I have taken the minus to the left hand side, therefore directly written. And this equation 100p plus 200y. So this one, what I will do, I will just bring it directly here. Let us see what to do next. 25 by 6. Okay. So this is your both equations. Let us solve it quickly. Let us find the value of x and y. So here we can see 60, 240 and 4. And you see everything is a multiple of 4. Therefore you can remove, take common 4 common out. So this becomes 15 4s are, no? 15 4s are 60. Therefore it becomes only 15. Okay. 240. So 6 4s are is 24. Therefore 60 cube. This becomes only 1. Since 4 you have removed it. Okay. In this equation also you can remove, see the numerator. 25 you can remove it. If you remove 25 from the first equation, 100 piece, 25 4s is 100. Therefore 4 is remained, and here 8 is remained. 25 8s are 200. 8 cube minus 1 by 6. Okay, just remove the 25 out. Now quickly let us make this proper. Okay, so there is a fraction here 1 by 6. So can you directly take there? No. So multiply, make it a common denominator for all. So 6 4s it becomes 24p, okay, plus 8 6 it is 48q minus 1 equal to 0 divided by 6. And next you know what happens. Write this equation 15p plus 60q minus 1 equals to 0. So this becomes 24p plus 48q minus 1 equal to 0. You know what happened? This 6 goes to the right hand side, becomes 6 into 0 is 0. Therefore, we have the two equation. Now you know we have two equation. Nothing, by elimination method you can't cancel it. Therefore, let us multiply quickly. Let us write the equation one above the other. Okay, 24p plus 48q minus 1 equal to 0. Here it is 24, here it is 15. Therefore, let us write the new equation. 15 into 24. What is 15 into 24? So quickly solve 15 into 24. 5 4s are 4 1s are 4, 6 0 1. So it is nothing but 260. So 260 plus 260p plus 60 into 24. What is 60 into 24? 60 into 24. Quickly do it. 4 0 is 0. 4 0 is 0. 4 6 are 24 plus 0 plus 12. 0 4 4 1. So 1 4 4 q minus 24 0. Next equation, of course, this will be 24 into 15. We already done it, is 260. Now 48 into 15. What is 48 into 15? Quickly solve. 48 into 15. 8 5s are 40. 4 here. Again 20, 24, 8 and 4. It becomes 720. 720q minus 15 equal to 0. Now change the signs. This entire term cancels off. Remaining is 1440 minus 720. 0 0 0. 4 minus 2 2 and 720 is remaining. 720q. And here you can see minus 24 plus 15. I have changed the sign, plus 15. So therefore what it is? It is opposite sign. Therefore greater sign is 24 minus 24 15 is 9 equal to 0. So 720q is equal to 9. Q is equal to 9 by 720. We are able to see here, it is going to cancel off. So 9, cancel and write it. So 9 1s are 9 8s are, no? So it becomes 1 by 80. So Q is equal to 1 by 80. So let us quickly find the value of P. So the value of P, I just solve here. The value of P, I take the first equation, 15P plus 60 by 1 by 80. Okay, I just substitute the value of minus 1 equal to 0. 15p, so 0 0 cancel, 6 by 8, 2 3s are 2 4s are 3 by 4 minus 1 equal to 0. 15p, and here you know what to do. Just quickly become 3, this 4 goes here, by 4 equal to 0. 15p equal to, see, 3 minus 4 is minus 1 equal to 0. So this becomes 15p equal to 1 by 4. P is equal to 1 by 15 into 4. Therefore, 1 by 15 4s are, it is 60. So P is equal to 1 by 60. So carefully you need to solve this problem. Okay. So P and Q we got. Finally, just substitute quickly. We will go and substitute in our beginning equation what we have assumed it. So we have assumed that 1 by x equal to P and 1 by y equal to Q. So therefore 1 by x equal to, what is the P? 1 by 60. And what is y? 1 by y equal to 1 by 80. Therefore, see, directly reciprocal, 60, y is equal to 80. And we know x is nothing but the speed of, what is the first one we took? That is the speed of the train. The speed of train is equal to 60 km per hour. Yes. And the speed of bus meters is equal to 80 kilometer per hour. So this is your final equation, that your final answer that you have to keep it. Okay. This both problems are very important. So I hope you understood both the problems. Kindly see it once again and just solve the answer. Solve the problem. You will definitely get right answers. Thank you. We have solved all the important questions and concepts from this chapter now. So I request all these three parts, kindly watch it once. Again you watch it during your exams, and this much is enough for scoring good marks. And there are few more problems that also you can score, but you can read. But these are the important concepts, very important concepts and problems that we have solved. And quickly in the next video, I will just revise all the important things that that are important from this chapter. So thanks for watching all the three parts. Kindly share, subscribe to this channel, share this videos among your friends. Let everyone get use of these videos. So thank you.